Hi everybody, I'm Shannon and today we're going to be making some healthy Halloween treats.
Trick or treat!
Look, I have some friends here to help us with our treats today. Come on in, friends. Hi guys. Alrighty, come on in. We'll get you up on your stools. Be careful. Your costumes are fantastic. Alrighty, we have Wonder Woman and Iron Man today. Alrighty, so today we're going to be making some mummy pizzas. Have you guys ever made pizzas before? Yeah? Yeah, so we're gonna make them using some English muffins and some string cheese, and we've got peppers and sauce.
I love sauce.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, then this is gonna be perfect for you, isn't it? Do you wanna go ahead and we're gonna split our muffins? Can you split a muffin? Here, I'll help you. Yours? Well, that's okay. That's okay. Here, wanna try it this way? Okay. Yeah, do you like string cheese? So we're gonna shred some of our string cheese up to make our mummy faces. You wanna just pop it open this way?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go, perfect. Go ahead and put that on your tray. So now we're gonna put some sauce on our pizzas. That's my favorite part of the pizza. Is that your favorite part?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
This is sprinkle.
It is sprinkles for the English muffin, yeah. Here you go. And you're just gonna take a little bit of sauce and spread it on the muffin. Do you wanna go first?
Yes.
What do you think, a little bit more? Okay, do you want to take and spread it around a little bit on your muffin? Let me give Julian a try now. Let him try it. You go ahead and do the same thing, and then I'll do one too, okay? And we'll do a couple more. Stella, do you want to go ahead and start? You want to shred some string cheese? You know how to pull it apart? Oh, so we have to shred it, just like we're going to put sprinkly cheese on top of it so that we can make sure it melts. Here, take from the end. Just start. You go ahead and take one?
Yeah.
Okay. Stella, you want to keep pulling? You think you could just grab a little piece here off the end? Perfect. Do you want to make put some eyes on your pizza, like a mummy? You want olives or peppers on there? We're going to make little eyeballs and then we're going to stripe the cheese across it, whatever this way.
I'm just to make my nose.
You're going to make a nose?
Yes, I made a nose.
I think that looks perfect. And we'll go ahead and get your cheese. So you're just gonna lay your cheese across however you want, okay? Do you want me to let you do it?
No.
So you can make it look however you want? Perfect. Oh, you're doing a good job, Julian.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. So
Yeah.
here's some olives, and here's some peppers. Stella, are you done with yours?
This is fun.
This is fun. I'm glad you like it. There we go.
Let me pizza.
Yeah, that looks fantastic.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the oven at 350 for 5 to 8 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and your English muffins are toasted. Okay, very good, friends. So we'll wait those to come out of the oven and then we'll taste them up. How about we clean up a little bit? Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. While our English muffin mummies are in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make another snack. We're gonna make some brooms out of string cheese and pretzels. Are you friends ready?
Yeah.
All right, Iron Man, Julian, and Stella. Take our string cheese and we're gonna cut it in half and then I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So to make the broom, we need to just take our little knife here and we're gonna be very, very careful, and I'll help you guys. And do you see how we're cutting down the slices down the string cheese?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna shred some of it with our fingers a little bit. And that's gonna make the bristles of the broom.
The bristles.
That's the part we sweep with.
Oh.
Okay, do you see how it's starting to look like a broom there?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's your string cheese.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How pizza.
We'll get yours started. Stella, do you wanna try one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Be careful.
Okay, so go ahead and take this. You wanna hold this? I'll help you, okay? Perfect. So we're just cut down through there. How are you doing over there, Julian? Good. Iron Man Julian. Okay, perfect. So now we're just gonna take the pretzel and we're gonna push in the end there, okay? So we'll do another one so you can do another one. And then we take a piece of chive and we're gonna tie it around.
Tie it around?
Yeah, do you wanna try to tie it around for me?
Yeah.
You do that and we'll get another string cheese started. Where's your string cheese at?
Right
You want to put a pretzel in it for your broom handle? I like it. Oh, look, we got one. There we go. So should we make a couple more? So we'll finish these up in just a second, but I think we should check our mummy muffins. So what do you think? Oh, they look pretty good. I think I'm gonna put them in just a little bit longer to brown up a little bit. Look pretty good? Do you like your witch's brooms?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. Okay, so we'll set that aside, and how about then we'll start on our next recipe. Okay, friends, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some clementines 2 different ways. We're gonna make some fun little pumpkin clementines, and then we're gonna make some jack-o'-lantern clementines that we can give to our friends. You guys ready to help? What would you like to do first? Do you wanna do the pumpkins, or would you like to draw and do the clementine, or the jack-o'-lanterns?
I want to do the jack-o'-lantern.
You wanna do the jack-o'-lanterns?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a bug.
So you're just gonna take your marker, and we're gonna make a face right on the pumpkin like you would if you were peeling or carving a pumpkin. And you guys do yours, and then I'll do one, and we should be all set.
I'm making nose.
Well, you made a nose? Okay. I like that, Stella. It looks really good. Okay, all right. Oh, Iron Man, that looks so cool.
Yeah.
That's super cool. How about I grab one of these? Can I borrow your marker?
Sure.
Fantastic. So I'm gonna do triangles.
Ooh.
Okay.
Those are good eyes for a jack-o'-lantern.
You think so? Okay, what do you think?
Yeah, that's
Yeah?
a good one.
You think so?
I colored it with you.
Do you guys want to make the next snack? So for this one, we have to very carefully peel our clementine so that we can keep the fruit inside all in one shape, okay? We don't want it to fall apart. Because then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put celery down in there. And what does that look like?
A pumpkin.
It looks like a pumpkin. And so then we can set these on our tray with our jack-o'-lanterns to give our friends. You wanna pull the peel off?
Whoa, I took a lot.
It smells good, doesn't it?
It's juicy. Yeah.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna give you some celery, and we're gonna pop it in the top there to make it look like a pumpkin. Oh, that looks great, Stella.
Make some friends.
They do look good that you made. Are you excited to eat these? Me too. Alrighty, so now we have our pumpkin clementines done, and we have our jack-o'-lantern clementines done that we can share with our friends. Let's check on our mummies too. Oh, they look pretty great to me.
Yeah.
Let's stick these down here. They look fantastic. Are you guys getting hungry? Okay, do you guys we'll clean up a little bit and we'll move to our next snack?
Yeah.
We have one more. Next, my friends and I are gonna be making some tortilla chips and guacamole. We're gonna be using some fun Halloween-shaped cookie cutters for our tortilla chips. You guys ready to get started? So I'm gonna give each of you our tortilla, and you're gonna cut it out just like you would cookie dough, okay? You got it, Miss Stella? Got it? All right, you just wanna press down really hard and kind of give it a wiggle, okay? Can I help you, Miss Stella? What do you think? Look at that! You wanna do the cat? Okay.
Yeah.
You wanna go ahead and do it? 1, 2, 3, push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. All right, there we go. Look how good that looks. Okay, you wanna do this one? Oh, let's get there. You think it worked? Let's check. Look, very good. That looks good. Do you wanna do another one of these?
No, I want to do
You
a
wanna do a bat? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, now wiggle. Wiggle.
Oh,
Let's see. Oh, you think we got it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think we got it too. Oh, looks good.
It does.
Do you want to do some more? Give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle. You got it. Rainy. What do you think? Do you think that cat looks good? All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to spray our pan here. Can I borrow this?
You have teeth on them.
They do. We could add that in there if you wanted to. And then we want to cook these or bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. But make sure you check them frequently because they can burn pretty quickly. Where's your broom? Would you want to stick that on there? So we're gonna go ahead and stick these, spray them one more time. And we're gonna stick these on in the oven. Sound good to you guys? Yeah? Alrighty. How about I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit, and do you guys wanna help me make some guacamole to dip our chips into? Okay. Okay, next we're gonna be making some guacamole to go with our chips. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this avocado. Let's see how he looks. Does it look pretty good to you?
Yeah.
Does it look pretty good to you?
Hard part?
Yeah, so I'm gonna pop him out with a spoon here. Have you
never
tried avocados?
avocado.
I'm telling you, wait till you have them with these chips. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more. Pop that down in there. So,
Even apple.
okay, who wants to mash?
Me.
Do you wanna take turns? So, this is a
Yeah.
potato masher, so just press down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Whoop.
Can I give it a try?
Sure.
Let's get some of this off of there.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think? Does it look okay? Who wants to help with the lime? Stella, do you want to help put the lime in? So I'm going to cut the lime open, and then we're going to squeeze the juice out of it.
Oh.
So we're going to roll it around a little bit. You want to roll him around?
Yeah.
So that helps get the juice ready. Push it down on it, roll it around. It just helps release the juice. It's got juice inside. Are we ready to cut it open and get the juice out?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. See, look, you
So
guys did such a
splashed
good
out.
job. It's because you guys rolled that lime around. You rolled it all around and got it ready. Okay, so what I want you to do, Stella, you're gonna take this like this and push down and give it a twist. Push down. Good job, Stella. You got it.
There's juice in there.
There is juice in there. Look. So we're gonna put that in there. Okay, who wants to put the tomatoes in?
Me.
You wanna put the tomatoes in?
I'm gonna. Yeah.
Good. Do you wanna put the onions in?
Yeah.
Dump them one in there. Good job, Stella. Time for the peppers. When Iron Man throws the peppers in,
I'm gonna do it.
go right ahead. Perfect.
Whoa.
You got it? Very
I'm
good.
gonna Stick to the bowl.
That's okay, we can scrape them loose. All right, you wanna stir? Okay. Stir, stir. That's the best song ever. It's pretty good.
It's green. Can I try?
It does look green, yeah. You wanna try?
Yeah.
This out of the way here. Pretty good. Alrighty, do you think it's ready for our chips?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I think our chips need to bake just a little bit more. And then are we gonna be ready to eat?
Brown.
Are they turning brown?
Yeah.
Good, that's what they need to do. Alrighty, let's see here. I think they need just a little bit more time in there.
Yeah.
You wanna set up our snacks? Thank you everybody for joining us in making our healthy Halloween snacks. We hope you had a lot of fun and we hope that you make some at home too. Bye everybody.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.